get a good read of this sign. No trespassing on waterfowl area from the Monday before opening day through the close of waterfowl season, except where posted. So if it ain't posted, we're golden to camp. Alright guys, we are on an island. Gonna do a little stealther tonight, I think. Do a little stealth camping up through here. And I think we'll put our tent up here somewhere. In this little cool little spot. There's no dead trees, so that shouldn't be a problem. Do a little stealth camping up here. Should be alright. Alright folks, we've made it to the secret island. The river is right there. We're going to get camp set up because the sun is going to fade quick over that horizon. So we need to get camp set up. We're on this river island. And I think this would be a nice spot to set up camp. And we'll probably put just a fire ring right here. Just have a small little fire ring. That way we're kind of doing a stealth camp. But I think we'll be all right. Like, look how beautiful this is. I've wanted to do this as a kid and we're finally doing it. What do you think?
I think I'm hot.
So we got the tent set up. There's a vehicle at the boat launch. So we're trying to be very quiet. That way we can stealth camp.
The things your husband does for women with back problems. He may never want to take me again.
Camp is set up, so now let's go kayaking. Alright guys, the sun is setting, which doesn't look like it in the camera, but it is way darker than what it looks like in this camera. So we're going to get a small fire going. We brought the waterproof matches. Maybe. And it should be dry enough to get a fire going. Get some of these bugs out of here. Fish. I think she'll go off that one match.
There's some tree bark.
Yeah. Just don't want to smother her. And don't want to make her too big. Actually, smoke's blowing in the right direction. Not out at the river. We're not going to make her too terribly big. And we should have enough wood at the wood store again. What'd you have for supper?
A hot dog.
On a tiny fire. Need to put more wood on there. But it's kind of windy, and look at that sunset from the river island. It does not get better than this. Just hanging around the campfire. Got a good little fire going. The wind died down a little bit. Long enough to get this fire going. And I don't think you'll be able to see nothing, but stars are out. But yeah, we're just going to hang out by this fire, and we'll catch you guys in the morning. Good morning. So we're all packed up here. Overnight went great. Heard a couple of things last night. Wildlife. What do you think?
We heard chickens.
Yeah, well, somehow on this island we heard chickens. Don't know how or where they come from, but definitely a rooster. So we got it all packed up. So as you can see, the fire is out. No trash. Like we were never here, which